Today we're going to make the Biscoff Mug Cake. It's really easy to make but yet beyond delicious. All you need is half a cup of refined flour, 1/3 cup of sugar. Whisk the dry ingredients to get rid of any present lumps. Half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of coconut milk, 3 tablespoons of refined oil, 1 scoop of lotus biscoff or as much as you like. Combine all the wet and the dry ingredients in a mug. Lightly whisk it to form a smooth mixture and bake for 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Now add some chocolate chunks to the batter and mix it well. Preheat the oven in advance at 180 degrees Celsius before continuing to bake at the same temperature. Some chocolate chips and chunks for garnish. Top it up with some more Biscoff. Once you add the Biscoff on the top, use a toothpick or a knife to gently swirl it around. Your mug cake is finally ready. That's it for today, guys. If you want to learn more such recipes, please subscribe to our channel and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.